Hello friends and welcome to Brotherly Love Gaming, the show where two brothers talk about the past, present, and future of our lives in gaming. Today, I am joined in the flesh with my brother Alex, and I'm Spence. We just pulled up to Too Many Games, the convention right outside of Philly at the Greater Philly Expo Center. So we're pretty excited, and we're gonna go get our pass and get started.
We got in there, first thing we did was went to the Limited Run Games booth. Opening a Limited Run Games Vita blind box, which could be any of their Vita games.
Hey, I love your brand.
Thank you so much.
If you have any questions, I'm not trying to like hit you up.
Darius Burst,
Reach out anytime.
C5, Chronicle Saviors. Now I believe this is a shoot 'em up. Yeah, it's a shmup.
I'll let our marketing folks know.
Nice.
So I've heard very good things about this game, and I've never played it myself, so
Exciting.
they got something pretty cool. I want to show Brian what I got.
So we just stopped by the Limited Run Games booth.
Yes,
Alex picked up some crazy stuff. We are now in front of the Indie Games Showcase here. As you see, it stretches all the way back.
All the way to the back.
And then there's some on the other side too. We're about to check out some of those games, maybe talk with some of the developers. So
Yeah, just full of a bunch of people demoing their new games. So we're gonna take a look and see what kind of fun stuff we can find.
Cool. Yeah. Oh, we got more levels now.
I think this is the one we played last year, actually. Dude. Feel Spence.
I won.
This game rocks. I can't wait for this game to come out.
Oh, there's more.
It's like really good.
I was playing as the last boss, but they definitely added more since the last Too Many Games we played it last year. How did I die? Oh, the train hurts.
Alright, let's jump on the train. In the case of Fiction Sphere, we talked with them about what the plan is. He said that they're looking to do like a Kickstarter or more information about the game, putting the demo out there in the coming months so that people can get their hands on it. We both really liked it. It's kind of like a Mega Man X inspired action game with more like melee options versus Mega Man's just, shooty stuff.
Hey! If you know the time,
I got the game over.
Eagle Island. Kind of hard to describe it exactly at this point.
It's like a platformer, right?
Yeah, well, can't talk and play at the same time. Yeah, it's like an action kind of platformer. I don't know where I am right now. This is different. I'm in a different area right now. Then you play as this boy, and he's got this owl. And you throw the owl as like the main means of attack. It's like explain something to me now.
And if I'm not mistaken, that changes throughout the game, at least as far as what we played last year, correct?
Yeah, like you can unlock new abilities for your owl and stuff.
And it changes into like different birds, right?
Yeah. So like, and here's a cool thing that you can do. So you can change like your power up. And then when you have, I can remember the controls. Then when you throw your bird, you can like do different things.
So that one's a piercing one then.
Yeah, so he was able to go through all of them then.
Perfect.
And then we did a ton of shopping, which I will show off separately because it's a lot.
Yeah, there was a lot there, so. This is the gigantic game room for huge. Tons of arcade games, lots of Console games.
Literally like every console. I was just playing Ms. Pac-Man on, I mean, no, that was on Commodore.
Yeah, amazing. Alex isn't typically good at fighting games, but he's doing pretty good.
Beat the ultimate hustle arcade game. So, big picture, what did you think of Too Many Games 2019? Good time?
Yeah, obvious. It's always a good time. But I would have liked to see, like we said, we're not going to bash on anyone, but I would have liked to see some better panels. Because that's, in my opinion, that's one of the main reasons to go there, right? It's because, yeah, it's this awesome marketplace where you can see things, but, you know, you're paying to get in,
Right.
which, yes, you get free access to all those games to play.
Right.
But, you know, other than that, you're just walking into a marketplace where you would spend more money. So the only other reason to be there is to see those panels and, you know, get involved with those and get entertained or, you know, be informed about a topic. So I would have liked to see a little bit better about that. What are your thoughts, overall thoughts?
So, yeah, like you, I was disappointed in the panels, you know, because...
Except my man Arlo. Shout out to you.
Except for Arlo. Because similarly, I like to go to these things to, you know, meet new people and hear about things that I might be interested in but don't know as much about, you know, like, or we had a really great one last year that was about, like, if you know nothing about games and want to make a game, what are some tools you could use.
That was a really
cool
good
one.
Yeah, that was really cool.
And I didn't really see anything like that even on, like, the schedule this year. You know, there were a couple, like, you know, intro to RPGs kinds of looking things, but, like, it seemed like the majority of the panels this year were like meet X YouTube celebrity, you know, which in the case of Arlo was, I thought, a lot of fun because we liked him. But in some of the other cases, and the same thing happened last year, you know, if that person isn't necessarily as prepared or as, you know, bubbly, I guess, whatever we're going to use for Arlo, you know, then those panels can kind of drag and you start to sort of feel a little bit awkward unless you're super, super into that person, you know, like, which is fine. Like, you can have the celebrity meetups, you know, I understand those are important. Those are big draws for the venue. I'm fine though with the fact that, like, I just love looking around at booths and about games and stuff like that. Like, I could literally just have walked all day for 3 days straight through the marketplace and tried to find things and just, like, talk to the vendors and look at their artwork and you know, buy whatever game. Oh my god, I found this really obscure PS1 game or something. You know, like, I like that kind of stuff. So that was, like, Friday especially, I was having the time of my life. I had a list of games that I wanted to get. I got, like,
we went in there and we had
most
a
of the
mission.
main things that I really wanted the most, I was able to knock off my list. You know, just like the thrill of the hunt or whatever you want to call it. I really like that. You know, so that's a lot of fun. That's sort of the main thing I look forward to every year. And then, like, the panels are kind of how I guess I justify it to myself. And then, of course, being able to play just tons of games is a lot of fun.
Too many games,
I would argue. But so yeah, so I had a lot of fun. I definitely would go again next year. Definitely recommend it to anybody who wants to go. So that's Too Many Games 2019. Like we mentioned before, check out, you know, the channel for the rest of the week. I'm going to be posting pickups videos, more unboxing stuff. I have some stuff from the convention to unbox. Also, sometime this week, I'm supposed to be getting my Jack 2 Collector's Edition for Limited Run. I know everybody loved the first one, so that's going to be coming up as well. And that's really just going to be it. You know, just keep checking for more of the Too Many Games stuff for the next couple days. And then subscribe to the channel, like us, and then we'll see everybody next time. Maybe see you next year.